So this is a very short video about the continual fraction. So this is the first video of a continual fraction. So my channel about basically doing mathematics and other interesting stuff. So hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Okay, so we just need to prove these two, right? The first two is that half equals to half. Yeah. So yeah. So let's so the proof is very easy. Let's see. Maybe let me just using stinker one. So if you see carefully this guy, let's assume this is x. So this is also x, right? So you get x equals to half plus x. So you get half x plus x squared half. So x squared plus 2x squared plus x equals 1. So you get 2x squared plus x minus 1 is 0, which is 2x minus 1. X plus 1 is 0. So you get x equals to half or minus 1. Okay, so simple example tell you that x must be a half because x is positive, right? Okay, so yeah, we proved the left one. Okay, so let's see the more general results. So this general results saying that 1 over n equals to 1 over n plus n, n times n plus 1, 1 divided by n plus 1. So the proof idea is the same, right? We click this, and then say this is x, and then this is also x. Okay, so we are solving the x equals to n divided by n plus 1 divided by plus x. Okay, so let's solve this. Okay, so it times x squared. Okay, and let's times okay, so let's directly solve it. Yeah, so let's times n plus 1. Okay, so it's this one. Okay, so you have many ways to solve it, right? But the one is you just using the formula. So let's see. So it's minus 1 plus equals to 1 minus minus 1 times n plus 1 divided by 2n plus 1, which is our answer, or is x. Okay, so this is minus 1 plus or equal to 1 plus. Oh, sorry, there's a 4 here. I'm stupid. So 1 plus 4 and then plus 1. Okay, divided by 2 and then plus 1. And this guy is, let's see, so it's 4n squared plus 4n plus 1. So it's 2n plus 1 squared. Okay, so finally you get your x is this. Okay, and the only solution is a positive one, right? Because we know x must be positive. So it's 2n. Okay, so 2n delete. So it's 1 over n plus 1. Okay, so yeah, so this is the first video of the just a very simple continuous fraction. And in the future, we will see other more difficult examples. See you guys next videos.